Hi, I'm Henry. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the filters on the countertop and the Undersink units. Firstly, these filters last for about 6 months or 3,000 liters. Alternatively, when the pressure drops significantly, you will know that it's time to exchange the filters. So to change it, you just take off the cover, give the cartridge a quarter turn and pull it out. The new one, insert, give it a quarter turn back. Ensure that the correct cartridge is in the correct slot. As simple as that.